This is a 1972 Chevrolet 3-door Suburban in very nice shape. You hardly see these in general, let alone in this kind of shape. It's got some really cool factory options on it and a great color combo and just a very nice original feel to it. So I'm going to show you around it. Great visibility out of the back of these with these huge side windows. The 3-door is pretty cool. It's got a small block in it, 350. And this one is equipped with factory air conditioning, which is pretty cool. But the really cool one is it has rear air conditioning. And believe it or not, the fan does turn on for the rear air conditioning, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna hop in and fire it up. Very nice stock feel to it. So there's all of our original codes, which all include a copy of this on the website too, so you can read through them a little bit closer. So the factory AC, rear AC switch is right here. And that baby blows some serious air. I can feel it from here. You also have your front AC controls. I will say the system is not charged, so this does not blow cold either front or rear, but it does appear to all be there and operate. There's your wipers. Radio does work. There is your horn. All right, so there you have it. There is your small block Chevrolet 350 engine. You have power front disc brakes, I believe. Yep, you got disc in the front, drum in the rear. You got power steering, 4-barrel quadrajet there. Engine sounds very good and healthy. You do have an aftermarket heavy-duty aluminum radiator. It keeps this thing running really nice and cool, even in hot weather. I will include a picture of where the VIN stamping should be down there in the photo gallery, so keep an eye out for that. So paint and body overall, I would give this a good driver quality. You know, it's definitely got a lot of originality to it. It's got a little patina here and there. This has been repainted, but some imperfections are going to be a given on something like this. But overall, it's in really good shape, as you can see here in the video. Body's really nice and straight. You know, usually the front here is all chipped up. It's not. Small, I think that's just a bug. That's just a bug right there. It's got all the trim. Paint has just a little bit of orange peel to it, certain spots, like right in here, a little bit of orange peel. Not horrible, probably what it would have looked like when it was new with the lacquer paint. Some Small imperfections down here in the rocker. Not much though. Bench seats look to be in excellent shape. Doors shut nice. Look at all this room you got back here. Got a ton of room. Tons of room back here too. Door shuts nice and solid. Roof's in good shape. A little bit of touch up down there. Exhaust sounds nice and period correct. Super straight when looking down the side of it. If you are interested in this 1972 three-door Suburban, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Scroll down, we'll have a link in the description of 80 plus high resolution pictures. We'll have some pictures of the undercarriage. And if you'd like to know the asking price, it'll be on there as well. If you have any more questions or you'd like to make us an offer, don't hesitate. Just give us a call. We're always here. These tires show date code 2022. So that's plus. They're fairly recent tires. And it looks really good with the rally wheels and hubcaps. Looks very sharp. So again, scroll down, link in the description. Don't hesitate to give us a call if you got any more questions. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.